If you're looking for some great books on investing to boost your financial knowledge and skills, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you 15 of the best books on investing that I've read and learned from. These books cover different aspects of investing, such as value investing, growth investing, passive investing, behavioral finance, and more. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, you'll find something useful and inspiring in these books. Let's get started. 1. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This is not only a foundational text in investment literature, but it also encapsulates Graham's profound influence on the world of finance. Graham's investment philosophy, famously epitomized by the concept of Mr. Market, highlights the importance of emotional discipline in investing. By emphasizing the need to remain rational and unemotional in the face of market fluctuations, Graham imparts timeless wisdom that continues to resonate with investors across generations. Moreover, his concept of margin of safety underscores the idea of purchasing securities at a significant discount to their intrinsic value, minimizing potential downside risk. This principle has stood the test of time and remains a guiding principle for value investors seeking to build wealth over the long term. 2. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing. John C. Bogle's The Little Book of Common Sense Investing not only transformed the way individuals invest, but it also challenged the prevailing notions of active management. Bogle's advocacy for index investing, particularly through the creation of the first index fund, Vanguard 500 Index Fund, has had a profound impact on the investment industry. His argument that the average investor is better served by holding a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds rather than trying to beat the market through stock picking or market timing has become a cornerstone of modern portfolio theory. Bogle's legacy extends beyond his writings. It's ingrained in the very fabric of many investors' portfolios, shaping the way they approach wealth accumulation and retirement planning. 3. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. Burton Malkiel's A Random Walk Down Wall Street stands as a comprehensive guide to navigating the complex and ever-evolving world of financial markets. Malkiel's exploration of various investment vehicles, from individual stocks and bonds to mutual funds and real estate, provides readers with a panoramic view of the available options. His eloquent exposition of the efficient market hypothesis and the three forms of market efficiency lays the groundwork for understanding how information is rapidly incorporated into asset prices. This insight is crucial for investors seeking to make informed decisions in an environment where new information is continuously impacting market dynamics. Furthermore, Malkiel's examination of behavioral finance sheds light on the cognitive biases that can lead investors astray, empowering them to make more rational choices. 4. The Four by Scott Galloway. This book delves into the seismic shift brought about by technology giants like Amazon, Apple, Facebook, now Meta, and Google. Galloway's deep dive into these companies goes beyond their financial prowess, exploring the cultural and societal impacts. He sheds light on how these tech titans have disrupted traditional business models and reshaped entire industries. Galloway's provocative insights challenge investors to think beyond traditional metrics and consider the broader implications of technological innovation. By understanding the unprecedented influence of these companies, investors can better position themselves to capitalize on the transformative forces shaping the global economy. 5. Rule Number 1 by Phil Town. This is the book that simplifies the concept of value investing, written by a self-made millionaire and investor. It teaches you how to find wonderful businesses that are undervalued by the market, using 4 simple criteria: meaning, moat, management, and margin of safety. It also teaches you how to calculate the fair value of a stock, using a simple formula based on earnings growth and return on equity. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to learn how to invest like Warren Buffett. 6. The Bond King by Mary Childs. This book provides a unique perspective on investing by focusing on one of the most crucial but often overlooked areas of finance: bonds. Through the lens of Bill Gross, a legendary figure in the world of fixed income investing, Childs crafts a compelling narrative that not only chronicles Gross's life and career, but also offers invaluable insights into the complexities of bond markets. By delving into Gross's experiences and strategies, the book demystifies the bond market, making it accessible to a wider audience. It underscores the significance of diversification, risk management, and the long-term view, emphasizing that bonds are an essential component of any well-rounded investment portfolio. In doing so, The Bond King establishes itself as a vital read for both novice and seasoned investors seeking to expand their knowledge and harness the power of fixed-income securities. 7. The Most Important Thing: Uncommon Sense for the Thoughtful Investor, by Howard Marks. This is a cornerstone in the field of value investing. Marks distills his decades of experience and wisdom into a book that champions the value of thoughtful, contrarian thinking. Through a series of insightful essays, he elucidates key principles such as risk assessment, market cycles, and the psychology of investing. Marks advocates for a cautious and disciplined approach, stressing the importance of understanding market behavior and avoiding herd mentality. By emphasizing the need for a margin of safety and the ability to identify and seize opportunities when others are fearful, Marks equips readers with a set of uncommon but invaluable tools. This book, therefore, stands as a beacon for those who seek to navigate the complex and often unpredictable world of investing with a rational and deliberate mindset. 8. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book takes a different route to impart crucial financial lessons. It transcends traditional investment advice by focusing on fundamental financial education. Through a narrative that contrasts the financial philosophies of two father figures, Kiyosaki imparts profound insights on assets, liabilities, and the mindset necessary for building wealth. The book advocates for financial literacy, teaching readers to distinguish between assets that generate income and liabilities that drain it. By encouraging readers to think outside the conventional employment-based income paradigm, Kiyosaki inspires a shift in perspective towards entrepreneurship and investment. Rich Dad Poor Dad serves as a foundational text for individuals seeking to break free from financial constraints and embark on a path of financial independence. 9. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This is the book that reveals the secrets of success based on Napoleon Hill's research on hundreds of self-made millionaires. It teaches you how to develop a burning desire for your goals, how to cultivate a positive attitude and a strong belief in yourself, how to use the power of your subconscious mind and your imagination, how to form a mastermind group and a definite plan of action, and how to overcome any obstacles and challenges. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to learn how to achieve any dream. 10. The Alchemy of Finance by George Soros. This is the book that explains the investment philosophy and strategy of George Soros, one of the most legendary investors of all time. It introduces his concept of reflexivity, which describes how the actions of market participants influence the market outcomes, and vice versa. It also shows how he applied this concept to his trading decisions, especially during his famous bet against the British pound in 1992. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to learn how to exploit market inefficiencies and opportunities. 11. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Arthur Fisher. This is the book that influenced Warren Buffett's approach to growth investing, written by one of the pioneers of the field. It teaches you how to identify high-quality companies with strong growth potential, using 15 criteria such as competitive advantage, research and development, management quality, customer loyalty, and profit margins. It also advises you on when to buy and sell stocks, how to diversify your portfolio, and how to avoid common mistakes. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to learn how to invest in growth stocks. 12. Bulls, Bears and Other Beasts by Santosh Nair. This is the book that gives you an insider's view of the Indian stock market, written by a veteran journalist and editor. It traces the history of the market from its inception in 1875 to its present state, covering the major events, trends, scams, reforms, and personalities that shaped it. It also offers insights and lessons on how to navigate the market's ups and downs, opportunities and risks, booms and busts. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to learn about the Indian stock market. 13. Reminiscences of a Stock Operator by Edwin Lefebvre. This is the book that chronicles the life and career of Jesse Livermore, one of the most famous traders in history. It reveals his trading methods, his successes and failures, his psychology and emotions, and his insights and wisdom. It also captures the atmosphere and excitement of Wall Street in the early 20th century, when fortunes were made and lost in a matter of minutes. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to learn from a trading legend. 14. Stocks to Riches by Parag Parakh. This is the book that demystifies the stock market for the Indian investor, written by a renowned financial planner and educator. It explains the basics of investing, such as risk-return trade-off, asset allocation, diversification, valuation, and taxation. It also addresses the behavioral aspects of investing, such as herd mentality, overconfidence, loss aversion, anchoring, and confirmation bias. It also provides practical tips and tools for making better investment decisions. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to learn how to invest in the Indian stock market. 15. Market Wizards by Jack D. Schwager. This is the book that interviews some of the most successful traders in the world, written by a hedge fund manager and author. It reveals their backgrounds, their strategies, their styles, their successes and failures, their advice and tips, and their secrets and insights. It also shows you how different traders have different approaches to the same market, and how you can learn from them. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to learn from the best traders in the world. That's it for my list of 15 best books on investing. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on financial literacy. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know which book you're going to read next, or if you have any other recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.